In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell crypto on Binance P2p. This process is straightforward and you'll be able to complete it in just a few minutes. The first step is to log into your Binance account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do so by downloading the Binance app or visiting their website. This will require you to input some basic information and ensure you're securely logged in before proceeding. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the trade section of the platform. You'll find this in the main menu, hover over it, and from the drop down menu, click on P2p. P2p stands for peer-to-peer, and this feature allows you to sell your cryptocurrency directly to another person, providing a more flexible and sometimes more advantageous way to trade. When you arrive at the P2P section, you'll see an option labelled Sell at the top of the interface. This is where you'll want to direct your attention. Click on Sell and a list of available cryptocurrencies that you can sell will appear. For instance, if you're interested in selling USDT, simply select it from the list. Now it's time to choose a buyer. This is a crucial step as it impacts the efficiency and profitability of your sale. Look for a buyer who offers a rate you're comfortable with and take note of their transaction fees. Ideally, you want to find a buyer with zero fees to maximize your returns. Additionally, consider the buyer's ratings and reviews. Opt for those who have consistently good ratings to ensure a smoother transaction. With the buyer selected, you'll move on to inputting the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Whether you're selling all or part of your holdings, make sure to double check the amount before confirming the transaction. Once you've confirmed, the platform will prompt you to release the crypto. It's important to wait until you've received payment before doing so. Binance serves as an escrow during this process, so make sure the payment has indeed been received into your account. After you've confirmed the payment, you can release the crypto. Congratulations, you've just completed a sale on Binance P2p. This method of selling is a fantastic option if you're looking to have more control over your trade conditions and want to engage directly with other traders. Remember, safety is paramount when trading cryptocurrencies. Always ensure that you follow proper security protocols and never release the crypto before confirming payment. We hope you find this guide helpful and feel empowered to engage in P2P trading on Binance. Thank you for watching and happy trading.